Anytime we're concatenating with or without ampersands with concat or concatenate, you might have an issue with dates. I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. We can just wrap this with text. So we're going to take this same reference, text, and we just need a format. So we could replicate exactly this format here of this date, but it is a date string, so we can redo the format. Let's do the format just like it is, YYY hyphen month month hyphen day day. And even using this in concatenate or with ampersands, let's say Alice and colon and this text, see, it is perfectly formatted. But we can also change this format if we want. Let's say we want the whole day word and we don't want the year. Maybe we want the whole month and the day, and maybe the day number 2. There we go. So we can put any format here, even if this format is different where it's getting that date from. Pretty cool, and I think this text formula is going to help you a lot when you're concatenating.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.